Hey guys, how's it going? So we're inside the 4x8 tent and we are going to upgrade our exhaust system from this Vivosun 6-inch inline fan, and we're going to upgrade to their 8-inch. This thing is a monster. And we have their newest 8-inch inline fan. I believe it's 720 CFMs. And we're going to get this installed inside the 4x8 tent. A new window insert out of some 1.5-inch foam, and we made it all look nice. So that's going to go into the window, and we're going to run the 8-inch through the top of the tent, and we're going to bring it over and back in just like we have this one here. So let's get uninstalling the 6-inch. So we got the 6-inch line out of the top of the tent. Just cut that up here out of the way. And I have the new window insert all installed into the window, and we're going to run the 8-inch line up over top and down through this vent hole right here. Alright, so we got all the pipe ran up through, up here and up over the tent and inside. So now we're going to get everything taken out. I want to show you guys a comparison, step out of the tent here, of the difference in size between the 6-inch and the 8-inch. It's quite a big difference. So now we're going to get the 8-inch installed up in here. We're going to use the same straps. I'm really excited to get this thing fired up and see how she works. Alright, so we got the 8-inch exhaust here, and when we install it, we want to make sure that we have the arrow going outside, so it's going to be sucking air through this side and coming out this side. Alright fam, so we got the 8-inch Vivosun inline fan installed into the ceiling, and now we're going to get the 8-inch filter put inside these straps, and we're going to adjust the fan to fit the filter. Alright, so we got everything hooked together. Now we're going to get the fan mated up with the filter. It's nice and clean, and we're going to run our duct over and up. So I got a lot of pipe here. Vivosun was kind enough to send us the 25-foot length. Which we're going to use for intake pipe as well. So we're going to get this all cut to length, and then we're going to get her clamped onto the end of here. Alright, so we got the fan mated with the filter. I had to tape it together because it didn't quite want to stay together. And I got the power cord ran this way this time and hooked to this power bar. That way I can access the on and off switch easily from the outside of the tent. Get the pipe cut to length, and we're going to get it installed to the back of the fan. Alright guys, we got the new exhaust system, the 8-inch Vivosun inline fan, all installed. She's all ducted out the window, and we have a nice insulated foam pad, and everything's all mated together, and I'm super excited. And I would like to give a huge shout out to Vivosun for upgrading our current 6-inch exhaust that we're going to use for something else. And I'm super stoked to get this thing fired up and get the ladies back inside the tent and get them all watered and relax for the evening. And I also like to give a huge shout out to Indoor Growing Canada for supplying us with these 16-inch fans. We have one over here as well, and they blow nice cool air on top of our LEDs. And that's going to be it for this video guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.